Welcome to our Detroit ribbon cutting.
So It's Electric, we are a curbside level 2 charging station. And what we do is we provide chargers free of cost for the city as well as the property owners that host these chargers. And what we do different from other charger companies is we do a detachable cable. So as you can see here, it unplugs and is able to plug back in. So that way, it keeps the charger uptime high because the cable is the first thing to break on most chargers. Another thing we do different is we work off the spare capacity of the adjacent building. So right now we're outside of the Detroit Smart Parking Lab, and we're generating our power for the charger off of the spare capacity of this building.
This technology is really important in the city of Detroit for a number of different reasons. Like if you think about the folks who drive EVs, not all of them live in single-family residential homes where they have the ability to charge at their driveway or in their garage, for example. And in a city like this where there's multifamily units and there's street parking for a lot of folks who commute to work, having street side charging is really important to just help serve the community that's here in Detroit.
Very early on in the existence of the Smart Parking Lab, when we're still really a startup ourselves, we encountered It's Electric, and we worked with them through the grant-making mechanism that's enabled by the Office of Future Mobility and Electrification to award a small grant to It's Electric to do their first ever prototype deployment here at the Detroit Smart Parking Lab.
The very first It's Electric prototype went in the ground and was powered up right here in Detroit. And then from there, we gained a lot of funding that helped us kickstart the company that you know today.
NextEnergy had a lot of different roles in this project, from helping It's Electric when they were originally inside the parking garage for their first prototypes and stuff, and helping make connections throughout the city.
It's sometimes easier to get capital than it is to get somebody to give you a chance to deploy your solution and show you what it's capable of. So that's what our focus is at Bedrock, is to create those opportunities.